Scotia. Yeah. Wow. And then my dad is there. Going to the bridge. So good. Ang haba na tulay na to ha, in fairness. Ang haba, oh. Ang ganda. We are going now to Nova Scotia! Yay! Who's excited?
stop?
Yes.
Our second stop is Nova Scotia.
I'm so excited. The next hotel has a pool.
The minutes should travel 7 hours again.
I'm Teacher Maya.
Just will have so many souvenir. I'm gonna buy a good souvenir in Nova Scotia. A good one. Yay! Hi guys! With my happy ending. What place is this? Where are we now? On the way to Nova Scotia, so we will travel all the way there to that mountain. Ganda oh, doon tayo aakyat sa taas. Doon sa taas no? Sa taas lang ito. Ang galing na. Oh my gosh. Tingnan mo niya, ginawi nila yung bundok para ano? Para gawing road. Ang galing oh. Wow. Taas niya na. Hi, Daddy. Yun ang galing ko. Oh, New Brunswick! Yay! Sayang yung New Brunswick. Wow, taas oh. Taas no? Taas doon no? Bababa na tayo. Oh my gosh, mountain yung ating dadaanan. Ganda no, in fairness, ang ganda niya. Could you imagine kapag may bus na dumaan? Ganda ng bundok. Grabe. Super. Captivating yung ano niya. the biggest lobster. Okay, let's go, kiddos. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let's see.
Let's go.
Come on. Megan, hi, Bebe. So they're all excited because of the giant lobster. Everybody, this is so giant. What are you? Hi, Dad. Yes, so big. Wow, gigantic. Wow, that's so amazing. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, oh my gosh, where's the child teams? Is it real? Oh my gosh, check how they build it. This is so good. But so giant. So beautiful. I'm here. They're so excited what we're gonna do next. Whoa. So giant, so beautiful place. Look at this beach and everything. What a beautiful place in Nova Scotia to visit. We would love, this is the giant signature of the Nova Scotia, the giant lobster. Thank you, Shidak. Now we are going different place now. What a beautiful place to see. So beautiful. Oh, what a beautiful and colorful house.